Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I'm Nicole Chantel, and if you like beauty videos, 31 days of Halloween and Friday vlogs, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a part of my makeup family. With all that being said, let's jump right into this video. So you guys, today we are going to be doing a Christmas Eve makeup tutorial. A lot of you had put in a request over on my giveaway video, which will be linked right here for you guys to check it out and to enter. And I was like, you know what? Today is Christmas Eve. Let's do a makeup tutorial. Let's do a Christmas Eve makeup tutorial. I'm really feeling it with all these colors and this lip, just really in the festive season. So with all that being said, let's jump right into this video. So all the rest of the products that are on my face I will have listed down below for you guys to check it out. And if you're curious about this really cute jewelry that I'm wearing today, I did purchase this at Alo Accessories. Really love it. Super gorgeous. Kind of mix up silvers with a bit of rose gold, just in that kind of mixing mood today. So a lot of you had made a request on my giveaway video to do a Christmas look. And well, hey guys. This is December 24th, so Merry Christmas. We are getting into Christmas Eve, Christmas Day. Super exciting. So I thought, why not do a look with the Natasha Denona Mini Star Palette. I haven't done a look with this yet. I've swatched it. The swatches are beautiful, but I just love the tones in here. I think they are so super gorgeous. So I don't know what kind of look I'm going to go for today, but it's going to be kind of like a really beautiful kind of a Christmassy look. Like last minute, what do I do? Oh my goodness, I gotta get out the door kind of look. And I will be popping up swatches to show you guys as well. So now that we are up close and personal, hello. Y'all knew I was going to say that one. So I am going to go in with my Fenty Beauty primer. I really like this primer. I like the applicator as well. It's really nice. My all-time favorite eye primer is the Smashbox Photo Finish Lid Primer. That is like my all-time favorite, but I'm out of that. And I bought this one a while back and I wanted to try out something new. So yeah, I'm really impressed with it so far. So the first shade that I'm going to go in with is this beautiful, like just a nice taupey kind of shade. And I am just taking a little tiny bit on my brush here. I'm using the MAC 222 brush. I'm just going to take this and just pop that in my crease. And woo, that's really pigmented. That's so super beautiful. And of course, this is a matte shade. Now I'm going to go in with my MAC 224 brush, which I definitely need to get a new one. This was like my first ever high-end makeup brush, and I just can't part with it, even though it like stabs my eye, but I'm okay with that. And I'm just going to blend this out. That blended out really nice. I think I'm going to go in with a little bit more just to build it up. Dark brown matte shade. I'm really obsessed with like dark brown shades. Don't know why. I'm just really loving them, and I'm just going to kind of stamp that on the outer part of my eye and just work that tiny bit into my crease. Now I'm going to take my MAC 224 brush and just blend it in really nice and soft. The shade is really nice and pigmented. I really like that. That is so super pretty. I didn't have to go in and like build up the color again. I really love her matte shadows. They are so super nice. Really great quality. I haven't had any bad luck yet with any of her like little mini palettes or the last year Christmas one. Kind of wanted to get the new year. Let's not get ahead of ourselves, Nicole. The new Christmas one. It was the cranberry palette, I think that's what it's called. I've been really eyeing that for the longest time, but I haven't bit the bullet on that one yet. So I really like that shade so far. So now, ooh, I don't know which shade I should go in with next. I don't know if I should go in with this one, or the gold one. I kind of don't want to do the gold one. I kind of want to go with this one right here. Oh, look at that. Isn't that pretty? I think that's going to be really nice. Really gorgeous. Okay, so that is the one we're going to go in with. I am going to go ahead first and try it with the dry brush just to see how pigmented it does become. And then on the other eye, I will go in with my Milani Make It Last setting spray the brush, and then apply it that way just to see what different look we could get with it. If it's more pigmented when your brush is wet, or if it's not. So I'm going in with my MAC 248 brush, and this is applied dry. So I'm just going to go on here like that. Yeah. No, I really do find that her shadows like this apply really nice when wet. When they're dry, you're really not getting like the full pigmentation out of the shadow. It like has bits of green and gold and brown into it. But it's not like bang noticeable. Like I want it to be like pop in your face, you notice it right away. So I am going to go in with the setting spray. Love this stuff so much. I don't know why that's really not working. Let's try it with my finger. Maybe that'll work even better. So I'm going to go on the side with the no setting spray and just apply it with my finger. It's a little bit more noticeable. And of course there's a little bit of fallout there, so I'm going to dust that off really quick. I'm not really sure how I'm feeling about it. I mean, it looks like, I don't know, I just feel like it needs to be more noticeable. I mean, when the light picks up on it, you are getting the beautiful, like the gold and the green. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with the gold shade. I'm just going to layer that on top of it just to see if I can make it a little bit more poppin', let's just say. I'm just going to go back in with that brown shade one more time, and I'm just going to deepen up the outer corner of my eye just a little bit, and then I'm going to blend it all together. So now I'm just going to take the color that I popped into my crease and here on the outer corner, and I'm going to bring that down into my lower lash line, and I'm going to work them together. And then I'm also going to take those two other shades and pop them here on my lower lash line as well. I'm going to go in with that lighter shade that I popped into my crease and just blend the two together. I'm taking my MAC 224 brush, which is clean, and I'm just blending it all together at once. And of course I'm using my Sephora color switch, which I absolutely love. This just takes the brush, cleans it instantly, and you could go right back in with that brush again. The last shade that I'm going to go in with is this shade right here. I'm just going to take that and I'm going to pop it to the inner corner of my eye. Ooh, that's really, really pretty. I like that. And I'm just going to work that up a little bit and then work it down into my lower lash line as well. So I'm going to go ahead off camera and apply my Kiss lashes in Gala. Got a new set. These are my favorite, and I will be back. So for my lower lashes, I did go in with the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Love this mascara. And for my waterline, I went in with the NARS, and this is the Larger Than Life Long Wear eyeliner, and this is in Via Veneto. I always have a hard time pronouncing that. Anyways, really love this liner. It glides on so nice to your waterline. Not only that, I really super love it because it's a twist up liner, so therefore you don't have to sharpen it, which is even just more perfect for an eyeliner. And also it's super pigmented as well. Now, as you could tell, I don't know if you guys could tell, but this is really bothering me, this eyelash over here, because I kind of cut a little tiny bit too short, but that's okay. We're just going to ignore that. If you guys could see it, sorry about that, but we're just going to ignore it. Now for my lips, I am going to go in with the Huda Beauty, and this is the Contour and Strobe Lip Set. I did do a full review on this in swatches, and I will have it linked right here for you guys to check it out. And I figured that, you know, this look would definitely go nice with a beautiful matte red lip. So I am going to go in with the Liquid Matte in Heartbreaker along with the lip liner in Heartbreaker as well. We're not going to use the lip strobe gloss today because I just want a beautiful matte look. Really love this lip liner. There's no tugging. It glides on so nice onto the lips. Now, I did have my lip balm on earlier by Drunk Elephant because my lips are so dry, so I like to apply lip balm on before I apply on the product. Then I go ahead after and just wipe it off. Then I know that the product really sunk into my lips. That lip balm is absolutely amazing. I love that stuff. And this lip liner glides on so nice. There's no tugging on the lips. It's really super creamy. And to be quite honest, I'm really not a big fan of lip liners. Like, I don't use them a whole lot. but I really love the formula of these Huda Beauty lip liners. Now I'm going to go in with the Liquid Matte in Heartbreaker. Love this. This is so comfortable on the lips. It dries down really nice. At first when you apply it to the lips, there's like a little tiny bit of tackiness, but once it dries down, it's just so beautiful, so pigmented, just gorgeous, smells so great. Now I'm going to go in with my Soleil Tan de Chanel bronzing makeup. Love this stuff so much. I'm really becoming obsessed with it. Love the finish that it gives my skin. And I'm just going to take this brush right here. I can't really remember the name of it. A company did send it to me. It was called Beauty Big Bang. Anyways, I like to take that and just dip it into the product because it picks up the right amount of product. And I'm just going to slightly just bronze up my face a little bit. I don't want to go too much. I just want to give it a really nice glowy, bronzy look. And as you can tell how nice that applies, and look how dark. In my other video I did say how dark this was, but when you apply it to your face, it almost like it adjusts to your skin tone, which I really love it. And I love the finish that it gives the face. It's just almost like this gorgeous kind of a sun-kissed glow. So the blush that I'm going to be going in with is by the Balm Cosmetics, and this is called Pinstripe. It's this beautiful mauve tone color blush. I absolutely love it. You can also use this blush on your eyelids as well. This blush also reminds me of the NYX Cosmetics Ombre Blush in Mauve Me. I do believe that's the name of it. I should know it because that's like my favorite drugstore blush. So they are on the same like tones of that beautiful, gorgeous mauviness. I'm taking my Mr. Right brush by Too Faced, and I'm just going to, see how much I applied then to my face. It's like bang, it's there. We're gonna have to blend that out, Nicole, because that's a lot of blush. So here we go. Here's the final look. This is a beautiful Christmas Eve kind of get out the door kind of look. I really love how the red goes so well with these tones of eyeshadows. Now I will have to say about this Natasha Denona Mini Star palette, like I love all the shades in here except for this one here. I just really wish that it was going to be more. Like when I swatch it on my finger, it is gorgeous. Just look how the light picks up on that. You're definitely getting the brown tones and the green tones in there and the gold tones, but when I applied it to my eyes, it just didn't want to look like that. But the other shades in this palette I absolutely love. I will have to say though about that shade though, it did apply nice and it did blend well with the other shades, and especially when I mixed it with this gold shade as well, it did mix really well. But yeah, this one here I'm really not a fan of, but the other ones are absolutely beautiful. So you guys, thank you for requesting this Christmas look. I really hope that you guys enjoy it. If you recreate this look, definitely tag me over on Instagram at NicoleChantel32. Would love to see your beautiful Christmas Eve look. Also, don't forget to enter my Christmas giveaway, which is still on the go. Good luck to everybody that enters. Have a Merry Christmas, and I will see you guys again soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.